says, have you ever designed a tartan specifically to be pleated to the stripe, where the swish of the pleats would reveal a pop of color? Or ever pleated a kilt that way and found it to be cool effect after?
So, have I ever designed a tartan to be pleated to the stripe? Yes. So that there's a pop of color? No. Basically because most of the time when you're pleating a kilt, or when you're designing a tartan or pleating a kilt, you're, back me up on your thoughts on this. A kilt pleated to the stripe. The way that I choose if a kilt should be pleated to the stripe or could be pleated to the stripe is I'll take the tartan pattern and I'll kind of squint at it. And if an individual element jumps out, then yeah, it would look great pleated to that stripe. If nothing jumps out and it's kind of all, coming out at the same, level of contrast, then I usually pleat it to the set. So for what I have on here, the red stripe kind of jumps out a little bit, so it's a little bit wide of a section. So, but I might pleat it to that red stripe. Or on Mac's kilt, the yellow stripe jumps out, so pleating it to the yellow stripe in the brown would look good. The problem is, most times when you want to pleat to a stripe, you want to have a half inch on either side of the stripe of nothing, so that the stripe really stands out. And the effect that they're talking about is having a really bold, high contrast color that just gets hidden underneath the next pleat. So that way when the person walks and the pleats move and it opens up a little bit, then you see that pop of color. Typically, not a lot of tartans have that in the design already, with a bold contrast stripe, a field of nothing, and then all of a sudden a real high contrast. Can you think of any?
Not like the one that came to my mind originally in this process was the earthrise, because that's a hard, sharp change, but I don't know if it necessarily fits into this category.
Yeah. Because then you end up with, if you pleat it to the block of nothing, like that black or gray block, you end up with lawn chair effect across the back, the horizontal stripes.
And I think it's a little bit harder in some ways to necessarily design something, because what happens is a 5-yarder versus an 8-yarder. Because not always can you do the same thing with the other one. So just because you can do it this way, you might not be able to do that at all on the other one.
Right. The only tartan that came to mind that it might be able to work would be Black Stuart. Like the one that just popped into my mind would be Black Stuart. If you pleat it to, let's say, the far yellow and white stripe, and then when you open up the pleats, that red center section with the white stripe in the center, that kind of jumps out. That might be able to work. But outside of that, I couldn't think of any. Now there are plenty of tartans that have a hard contrast. If you think of like Wallace, it's red and black. If you pleat it to the black section or something, one of the red stripes in the black section, and then no, I guess the black stripe is in the red section, then the yellow is in the black.
Yes.
Yeah. If you pleat it to the black bar, just so that the red gets covered up, it would open up, and when you walk, you'd get that flash of red. But you'd have the black bar section across the back, so it'd be like horizontal stripes. We're getting into the weeds here.
I think a lot of this though would actually work better in a box pleat versus a normal knife pleat situation.
Yep, I agree 100%. So a box pleat, you end up with wider pleats and the other main element. So again, using Wallace for a second here, if you pleated it to the yellow stripe in the black section, on every single pleat, each pleat's going to be about 2 inches wide. Underneath those two pleats, you're going to have a bright red flash when those open up. So that's a very good point. It's a lot easier to have that effect on box pleated kilts because of the balance of it.
And there may or may not be a tartan coming out soon that would work perfect for that scenario.
Maybe January?
Maybe, I think
so. January? So definitely not America 250 as the tartan. No. Okay. Good point. I wasn't thinking about that. This wasn't meant to be product placement, but yes. Okay. Very good. All right.
So just like, thanks for watching that video. If you want to know more about box pleat kilts, click in the link in the comments. Something like that.
Or the link in below.
Or link below.
Yes. That was a perfect take, Mac. Good job.